Addiction is when you struggle with a substance or an idea or a activity that ultimately starts to supplant your identity, and it starts to take over everything within your life that is otherwise important, whether it's your faith, whether it's your family, whether it's your profession, your education, your relationships. A lot of people who have struggled with addiction and substances in particular, but even gambling and other types of addiction, they start to identify with that thing. I've actually had patients tell me, alcohol understands me. Alcohol is warm and welcoming. Alcohol's always there. Alcohol doesn't judge me. I feel validated by alcohol or whatever the substance or thing may be. And it sounds like kind of bizarre to say out loud because it's like alcohol's not a thing, but addicts tend to personify the thing that they're addicted to versus, my dog gets me, my kids get me, my wife, my husband gets me, my faith, like whatever it is that you find that's more productive and wholesome, those are the things that you should connect with. Whereas instead, unfortunately, addiction replaces that. The most simplistic way to think about it is a lot of behavior that is trying to hide something, behavior that is out of character, especially for people who know that person, behavior that is ultimately starting to coalesce around seeking that particular activity, that particular substance, or in the case of gambling, that particular idea. But it starts to overtake the other things that we normally take for granted, like having our day-to-day freedoms, going to the gym, spending time with our family, going to work, going to church if that's relevant. All of those things start to disappear, and instead you start to spend time trying to facilitate that substance or that activity, and it starts to overtake the rest of your life.